How to remove red underline under word in MS Word. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open MS Word. If you see this red underline under your word in MS document, simply right click on it. You will see the correct word suggestion at the top. If it is any one of it, click on the correct word spelling. If not, simply right click on it again and you can go to ignore or ignore all option. But after that, when you open the document again, it will appear again. So right click on the word which have the red underline and go to add dictionary option. After that, your issue will be fixed. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.